Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into mastering Microsoft Excel formulas for beginners. If you're looking to boost your spreadsheet skills and work smarter with data, this guide is for you. 1. Sum formula. The sum function adds up a range of numbers. Example, equals sum A1 A10 calculates the total of values in cells A1 to A10. 2. Average formula. Need to find the average? Use equals average A1 A10 to get the mean of selected numbers. 3. If statement. The if function allows you to apply logic. Example, equals if A1 50 pass fail checks if a value is above 50. 4. VLOOKUP formula. Search for values in a table with VLOOKUP lookup value table array index false. Great for retrieving data from large data sets. 5. Concatenate text join. Merge text from different cells. Equals text join true A1 B1 C1. Combines words with spaces. 6. Left, right, and mid functions. Extract text. Left A1 5, first 5 characters. Right A1 3, last 3 characters. Mid A1 2 4 extracts 4 characters starting from position 2. 7. Now and today functions. Insert the current date time dynamically. Equals today for the current date, equals now for date and time. Mastering these formulas will help you work efficiently in Excel. Which one do you use the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.